Chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some boneless chicken thighs right here. Already cleaned up, soak them, pat them dry. So we're about to go ahead and give them a nice slice. Each piece of chicken, give them a nice slice down the middle. And then we'll go ahead and season them up, let them marinate. We'll make some chicken tacos. Okay, so we have our chicken sliced. We want that season and marinate, everything to get all between that chicken. So now we go ahead and put our marinade together. Okay, so we have our chicken in a bag. It's better than anything else, you know what I mean? So everything can just come together and be bunched up. So we have it in a Ziploc bag. All right, the first, a little soy sauce. We're gonna add to it. I was eyeballing it. Red vinegar. Okay, it's better than bouillon. We'll put 2 tablespoons of that in there. 1. So. And 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1. 2. Okay, now we're gonna add our seasoning. Chili powder. 2 tablespoons. Oregano. 1.5 tablespoons. Garlic powder. 2 tablespoons. Slap your mama seasoning. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of slap your mama seasoning. Now we'll go ahead and mix this in. Okay, everything mixed in. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our white onions. We'll go ahead and let them marinate for an hour. You can do 24 hours if you want, but this is dinner for the day, so I'm doing 1 hour marinate. Okay, so we have a whole hour of marinade. Add me some vegetable oil. You know, little skillet. Oh. And we'll let that chicken cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and we still got some of this juice from the marinade and some of the onions in there. I'm not gonna put it in there just yet. I'm not gonna pour the juice in there just yet. I'm gonna add a little water to it. But for right now, we'll go ahead and let the chicken cook in our oil. Let it do its thing. Put the top on there. It's not the top to the pan. I don't know, it's somewhere around here, but it's working. It's gonna work anyway. So we'll go ahead and let this cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, I just flipped the chicken. So we're gonna do 10 more minutes. We're doing 10 minutes on each side. So I just put the chicken off camera. And when I say it's smelling good in here, it's smelling good. And that chicken is extra tender. I mean, I'm not even finished cooking it yet. Extra tender. Another 10 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here, 20 minutes. Extra tender. Look at it. Boom. So I'm gonna put this on my cutting board. We'll chop it up. Nice and juicy. Got the whole house smelling wonderful. So let me go ahead and finish fishing these out. Alright. Let's probably throw me some bell peppers in here so they can get extra soft. Well, get a little soft. I still want a little crunch to them. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my little taco shells. Look. Okay, so my meat is all chopped up. I mix it with the bell peppers. I'm gonna let it cook for another 3 minutes. And then we'll get on a nice taco on the plate. Okay, so here we go right here. That made it happen. We have our chicken tacos. And you know you can't leave out the taco sauce. Anytime I go to Taco Bell, you know, I make sure I keep me some sauce in the cuts tucked somewhere in the refrigerator. But that's how we looking. Look at it. We got our chicken tacos. did my thing in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit that like button for me. It helps my video. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.